Okay, so we're going to try to make work of this World War II signal lamp. It says Canada, year 1940, ref 5A823. There's the front. Basically, there's a switch here, and then there's this thing which causes the mirror to pop in and out. So I think I'm going to leave it in original condition. I think I'm just going to try to get into this power connector and power up the bulb in there. Let's see what happens. Okay, here is the finished light. Now I didn't repaint it or anything, but just cleaned it out. I had to clean out the terminals and the light socket specifically, and note that this is a power connector. So I removed the old cable and put a new one in. The bulb here, and here's the pin, I'll buy the pins. It's kind of hard to see, but the bulb is actually a 35 watt bulb, and so I tested it on a bench supply. I ramped up the voltage until it was drawing 35 watts. Turns out it's happy at about 12 volts. I assume this was a 24 volt device, but it's actually not. It's 12 volts, at least the bulb that's installed. So for fun, I have it hooked up to a battery jump box here. So if I turn on the oh, it didn't work. There you go. This connector, had to really crank it to get in there. So there it is. And then if you hit this guy, if you hit so the first trigger turns on, this one changes the light, the angle at which, so a pretty substantial looking thing. And yeah, if you hit this other trigger, you change the light. So that's how you'd send your Morse code. Now here's something really interesting. I wanted to kind of get this on video. If you look through the sight aperture, you pull the trigger, the sight aperture shows you exactly where the beam's going to go. So you can say, I'm not too good at signal lamp, but you can see exactly where it's going to go. And it is super bright, actually. It's a 35 watt bulb, so in a dark room it is very, very bright. Yeah, cool thing. This is really cool. There you go, World War II signal lamp. Got the power here from 1940. Yeah, working. It's really nice.